Do you want to change your reality? Here's another powerful technique from the power of your subconscious mind. The mirror technique. The mirror technique is a visualization exercise designed to create a deep connection with your subconscious mind and transform negative beliefs into positive ones. Here's how you can practice it. Find a quiet space. Choose a quiet and peaceful place where you won't be disturbed. It's best to do this technique in the morning or before bedtime when your mind is more receptive. Stand in front of a mirror. Stand in front of a mirror and look into your own eyes. Take a few deep breaths to relax and center yourself. Affirmations in the mirror. Start affirming positive statements about yourself and your life while looking directly into your eyes. For example, say, "I am confident and capable. I am deserving of success and abundance," or "I am loved and supported." Embrace your emotions. As you repeat the affirmations, pay attention to any emotions that arise. If you feel resistance or doubt, acknowledge those feelings without judgment. Allow yourself to feel them and then gently let them go. Feel the connection. Keep looking into your eyes as you affirm the positive statements. Feel a sense of connection with your subconscious mind, as if you are speaking directly to the part of you that holds the power to bring about positive change. Visualize your desired outcomes. After affirming the positive statements, take a moment to visualize your desired outcomes. Imagine yourself living the life you want, achieving your goals, and experiencing joy and fulfillment. Express gratitude. End the mirror technique by expressing gratitude for the changes you are making in your subconscious mind. Thank yourself for taking the time to connect with your inner self and create positive transformations. Consistency is key with this technique. Practice the mirror technique daily or as often as you can to reinforce positive beliefs and